like silence showing up too soon. I hear your voice in quiet songs, but deep inside I know you're gone. I kept the pieces of your name, like broken pictures in a frame. Some nights I still reach for your side, then remember why we said goodbye. And I hate that I still care when you're no longer there. I miss you in the midnight rain, in every street, in every flame, but I can't drown inside your ghost forever. My heart still bleeds when I hear your name, but broken things don't stay the same. So I'll walk away, even if it hurts. Together